Gold has surged to another record high, crossing over $3,800 per ounce. But behind the price action headline is a bigger story that is part of a reshaping of the entire global monetary system. Now we know that central banks have now been buying gold at record levels for several years and moving away from dollar-denominated assets. And now China wants to custody that gold for them. The People's Bank of China is using the Shanghai Gold Exchange to court central banks from so-called friendly nations, offering them the chance to buy bullion and store it in China. Beijing wants to become a major custodian of foreign sovereign gold reserves and is appealing to the countries that are moving away from the West, like those that are part of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization and the BRICS Plus. Now, for decades, custody of sovereign gold has been concentrated in Western hubs like London, New York, and Zurich. If Beijing succeeds, Shanghai emerges as a rival center, shifting the balance of trust, power, and control in the bullion market. And this is about much more than storage. This is about building the architecture of a parallel settlement system, one that moves away from the US dollar and reweaves gold back into the very fabric of international finance. And all of this comes as central banks are already buying record amounts of gold, while confidence in US Treasuries continues to erode. Central banks have just crossed a major line. For the first time since 1996, they now hold more gold than US Treasuries. And this is just one piece of a broader trend. In a report published in June, the European Central Bank noted that gold has surpassed the euro in official global reserves. Meanwhile, a new survey from the World Gold Council shows that an overwhelming majority of central banks expect to increase their gold reserves in the year ahead. But it doesn't stop with gold. Silver has been quietly following. Silver is up 52% year to date, trading above $44 an ounce, and sovereigns are now stocking up on silver. Saudi Arabia, for one, has made a move into silver with more than $30 million in the iShares Silver Trust and another $10 million in a silver miners ETF. Russia has earmarked over $500 million for precious metals, explicitly adding silver to its reserves for the first time. China is buying silver doré directly from Latin American miners, and India has quietly accumulated hundreds of millions of ounces of silver in recent years, becoming one of the largest importers in the world. So could these moves suggest that silver may be shifting back into the spotlight, not just as an industrial metal, but as a potential monetary asset? Could silver be the next target for central banks?